So, here we are, tough enough for cruising, and our first major sponsor. What do you got to say, Clayton?
G'day mate, how are you?
You happy?
Yeah, it's really good, nice looking truck.
Tough enough for cruising Hurricane. The 2020 update model, and our first sponsored mod coming in the way of a GME XRS. Just got Clayton here at CNR Communications. Him and Carol, thank you so much.
There we go, that's your radio. Yep. Click on that, pairing in progress.
Wow.
Bang, done. Yeah, we just fitted a XRS to the Hurricane, and they come with a magnetic holder, what they just snap in.
Wow.
The latest and greatest, they're Bluetooth, which enables you to pair it with your phone, so you can download all the police, and it gives you a whole list of every private frequency within a certain radius of you. You can select the radius on your phone. Yeah, but they're awesome bit of gear. High-powered speaker built into the microphone, OLED display. Yeah, 5-year warranty.
That's fantastic. 5-year warranty, that's
Yep,
huge.
5-year warranty, and GME are great. Any problems, they'll have you a new one back within a week, you know.
Yeah.
We send it off to them.
Well, I know all the GME products that you've put in for us. We've never had any problems with them, and they're just amazing bits of kit.
Yeah.
No, it's just getting better. I know the one that we just put into the truck, I was just saying to Clayton how much I love that magnetic holder. Alrighty. Thank you, Clayton.
Cheers, mate.
Hey, how's it going, everybody? Here we are at CNR Communications, and Sexy Baby has now got something to say.
Hey, I'm with Clayton and with Carol, and these amazing people we've been working with for a long time now, about 5 years.
Yeah.
With our personal vehicles and our work vehicles, and they've come on board and sponsored us with the new XRS UHF. You guys rock, seriously. Absolutely amazing. We were so grateful. And yeah, give these guys a plug. They're now on Instagram.
I'd just like to personally say thank you. It means a lot to be keeping sponsorship inside our amazing place here at Rockhampton and Yeppoon Emu Park in this district. And thank you very much for everything that you guys have done. And as always, chowdy bye. If you need anything done, come and see these guys.
Cheers, mate.
Bye.
Good on you.
Thanks, Clayton.
See you.
Thank you.